In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal business account. First, go to the PayPal website and click Sign Up. Then select Business Account. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. After that, add your business details, including your business name, type of business, and basic information about what you sell. Now, enter your personal details such as your name, address, and phone number for verification purposes. Next, follow the on-screen instructions and agree to PayPal's terms and conditions to continue the setup process. After that, verify your email address by opening the confirmation email sent by PayPal and clicking the verification link. Now, add your bank account or card so you can receive and withdraw payments from your PayPal business account. Finally, complete any additional identity verification steps if PayPal requests them, and your account will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a PayPal business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.